Harper got a little sick with the virus, and then it's my video today, and she's right there, and she's gonna wear a mask. She doesn't have to because we're separate right now in the car.
Can I please talk to them real quick?
Okay, here.
I'm sorry that I'm in here. We're just going to the nurse right now so we can see if I will be better. I need to hand it back over.
And then we're going back to the house when we're done at the nurse's. And I think that's going to take a long time. Harper just sneezed. And I'm her bestie. And
Can I tell them what we're doing today?
today we're going to play a game. Hopefully I'm going to feel better.
My
So I hope you like it. So
on the bottom of my
I don't think this will go too well.
Yeah.
I am loving you. Oh. So I hope you have a good day. And here's back to me. I hope you give us a lot of chances to subscribe to our channel. Hit the
Bye.
subscribe button.